So you might be in a random situation where for some reason your Amazon Echo Dot is just not working. So this can happen for a lot of different reasons. The very first thing I'd recommend kind of doing and making sure is to make sure that there's not a random power issue connection. So go through, make sure on the backside of your Amazon Echo Dot that your power is fully plugged in, that there's no issues there, because sometimes that can kind of be the issue you might run into. So make sure you have enough power, make sure you have a power place plugged in, and make sure that cord is fully working, everything like that. Now, if that's not working, the next thing you might want to do is just go through and make sure that the Amazon Echo Dot is even kind of, picking up the signals that you're kind of putting it down. So make sure it's been connected to your Amazon account, or you want to make sure you're invoking it right. You can also double check and make sure that it's connected to a good Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is out, or if Alexa continuously says that I'm having trouble connecting to the internet, that basically means there might be a Wi-Fi connection problem, and you might have to go through and pretty much connect to an actual Wi-Fi connection in order to kind of fix this and address this, because that is probably going to be one of the issues you might run into as well. If that's still not working, you may also want to check your environments. Sometimes the environment that you're in, maybe the music is very loud, or maybe there's something like that going on, and you might have to go through and just double check and make sure there's no issues like that going on with your device, because if that's causing a problem, then we might have to go through and maybe return this Echo Dot, or have Amazon kind of take a look at it. So that's pretty much how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.